Maraming salamat, Daphne. And
I love the disclaimer by Daphne. Nagiging veterano na rin to Not the disclaimer, pero mukhang hindi na raw babalik yung anak. Pero I was saying, alam naman natin ang anak nito si Mike Mabulak, certainly a prospect for his age division.
oo.
Diba? Mahusay talaga. I mean,
I think that's more of yung yan yung naiisip ko for him because of the early career moves na kanyang
to go out of the country, right? So we talk about yung generation ngayon. By the way, congratulations, Seri Abadjano.
With the block.
Right.
Breaking news muna talaga.
Of course. Of course. Okay, kasi papunta na tayo. Korea na pinag-uusapan natin Ang daming rebounds nun in transition. Ang daming mga pogo stick na tumatalon.
As well.
Siyam na yung kalamangan. I was saying, di ba? Yung generation ngayon ng mga players, collegiate, di ba? Naglalaro na abroad. Mga ina-aspire nila.
It's a family decision as
Correct.
well. Cabanyero. Masyado malakas. Mabulak has it. And Jopet Soriano.
He was also a double-double machine in the last game. Now has 8 points coming off the bench.
Renzo Subido. Jumper. A lot of contact there. Hindi nila hinayaan mag-land itong si Renzo Subido. It's a foul on
16
I think
years old.
Younger siya when he left, di ba? 14, maybe 14 when he was with...
But his father is Serbian.
Oo. So...
That's a foul.
That's a foul. That's Mike Mabulak fouled by Jed Salaveria.
Kay Coach Pok, no, as he was called, yung hindi mo magagaya doon, yung head and shoulder fake na parang epileptic
Oo.
Mapipeke.
Susunod ka talaga. Nakakagat ka talaga. Nick Cabanyero. Gets it to Subido. Fires the 3. Yes, sir.
Short ulit. Suddenly, shots are not falling compared to the first quarter kung saan kahit contested, yung mga tira ng Manila pumapasok. Ang problema kasi nila is the other end ito.
Layup is short. Aktub.
5-on-4.
Thank you, Subido. Aktub gets it back. JJ Pido for 3. Yes.
Masayang kasama.
Mga Ilonggo, mga talaga kasama.
Ilonggo pala yan. Okay. Okay. So, tingnan natin.
Canaleta lets it fly. He gets it to go.
JJP ito, ang nakamatchup ngayon kay Doligon. Popostehan ka agad ni Doligon. Walang double team. Hindi nila tinulungan.
Malyari fires a 3. Yes. J-Mark Malyari. 59-38.
Only the 5th three-pointer, would you believe, in this game by Binyan. They've been doing it inside. Turnover.
There's time here for Malyari. Ryan Suwal with the layup.